An electrochemical cell is constructed using electrodes based on the following half reactions. We have lead and we have gold. Which one is anode, which one is cathode, and then find out the standard cell potential. So here I need to go to the table that shows standard reduction potential and find out the standard reduction potential for these two half reactions. For the first one, we're gonna have 0.13 volts, and for the second one, gold, we have 1.50 volt. Now we need to figure out which one is anode, which one is cathode. Anode is where oxidation happens, and cathode is where reduction happens. Reduction happens where we have stronger oxidizing agent. So since this number is greater than the other one, we have 1.5 comparing to 0.13. This one is bigger, so this one is going to be a stronger oxidizing agent. So this reduction happens in here, and that's going to be our cathode, and the other one is going to be the anode. And now when we want to find out the standard cell potential, we use this formula: standard cell potential equals to standard reduction potential of the cathode minus standard reduction potential of the anode. That's going to be 1.5 minus 0.13, and that's going to give me 1. Here that's negative 0.13, so it's going to be negative times negative positive 1.63 volt. So don't forget that this one is negative 0.13. So 1.5 minus negative 0.13, which is going to be 1.5 plus 0.13, that's going to be 1.63 volt. So that's the standard cell potential.